So, okay, we have successfully completed 3 sums from this variant 22. I mean, October, November 2020, additional mathematics, Cambridge O level. Now let us see what is given in question number 4. This is the question number 4 that is given to solve simultaneous equations. There's a 2 equations are given. Now let us solve these 2 equations, and the total marks is 6. Let's see question number 1. This is, let us consider this 1 and this is as 2. We can find from 1 log 3 raised x plus y equals to 2. If we change the base of this log, log will be removed and x plus y equals to 3 squared and x plus y equals to 9. In that same way, if we try for, from 2, let us write here log 3x plus 1, log 3y plus 2. This is before the log, we can keep it as a power. So x plus 1 whole square equals to log of 3 raised y plus 2. Now let us cancel this log 3 from both sides. So we can write here x plus 1 whole square, y plus 2. So x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to y plus 2. Now we can write it as y in that side, then 1, 2, that is minus 1, 2 subtracted will be minus 1, 0. This is question number 1. Okay, let us make y as a subject here, 9 minus x. Let me consider this question number 1 and substitute it instead of y plus 2x minus 9 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. X square plus 2x minus 9 plus x minus 1 equals to 0. If we simplify this, x squared 2x plus x is 3x minus 9, and then it should be minus 10 equals to 0. And if we factorize this, we are having, x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 2x 10 equals to 0, and so x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 2. These are 2 values we have got here. But see one important notes. If x equals to minus 5, if you see equation 2, 2 log 3 raised x plus 1 log 3 raised y plus 2. If I use the minus 5 here and blah blah blah, this part is minus 4 and log of negative numbers is not defined. So minus 5, this is not acceptable. Now let us use, that is 2, x equals to 2 in equation number 1. Y equals to 9 minus 2, it is becoming 7. So our coordinates is becoming minus 5 and 7. This is the final answer. So that's the question 5. We have solved it nicely. There is given, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 10 at the point x equals to 1. So when we are finding out the tangent, equation of tangent, we need to get the formula. It is y minus y1 equals to dy dx x minus x1. So first of all, we need to find out this gradient. For this reason, we need to do differentiation of this one. So we know that ddx of x to the power n equals to n x to the power n minus 1. ddx of x is 1. ddx of some constant, that is 0. We are differentiating with respect to x. So we should know the formula to do this maths. Now dy dx equals to x cube, that is 3x square, minus 2 come here, 6 to the 12, x plus x is differentiated, that is becoming 3, and 10 is differentiated, that is 0. So I'm not going to write this. Now let us put the value of x in this one, that is 3 times 1 square minus 12 times 1 plus 3. So 3 minus 12 plus 3, if I simplify this one, we are having, 6 minus 12 minus 6. This is the gradient. Now let us find out the coordinates of y. Let me use x equals to 1 in question. Y equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10. It is 1 cube 1. 6 times 1 square, that is 6. 3 times 1, that is 3 plus 10. So 314 minus 2, that is becoming 8. So your coordinates is becoming 1, 8. Now let me use this gradient and 1, 8 in this y minus 8. Gradient is minus 6, x minus 1. Let us simplify this one. And your answer will be y equals to minus 6x plus 6 plus 8. So it is becoming y equals to minus 6x plus 14. So this is x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10. We will solve these two equations simultaneously. Okay, now we can write here 6x square, 6x, so it is becoming 9x. 14 goes here, it is becoming minus 4, becoming 0. So see, this is cubic equation. It is cubic equation. Try to remember what we have done in remainder and factors theorem, though it's not so easy. We need to see, we need to find out in trial and error method what should I use the values for x to make the remainder 0 and to prove factors, then doing synthetic division and factorization. So let's see how to solve these one using remainders and factors theorem. If I put here x equals to fx, let us consider this fx. Let us put x equals to 1 and let's check 6 plus 9 minus 4, 9, 1, 10. So yes, so x minus 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor. We can write here this one as a product of x1 and some quadratics. Now let us factorize this one. We will do factorization using synthetic division. Let's see what is synthetic division. X equals to 1, so I put it here. X cube's coefficient is 1. X square's coefficient is minus 6. X coefficient is 9 minus 4. Let me fix it here directly. 1, 1, 1 minus 6, 1, that is minus 5. And minus 5, this is 9 minus 5, 4, 4, 1, 4, that is 0. So it is becoming x minus 1 and x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Now let us simplify more. X square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equals to 0. So finally taking common and factorizing, it's becoming x minus 4 and x minus 1. So if we simplify this one, we are having x equals to 1, what is given in the question, and then x equals to 4. Now if I use x equals to 4 in the tangent, we are having y's value 24 plus 14, that is minus 10. So coordinates is 4 and minus 10. This is the answer. Thank you very much. So let us see question number 6. This is the notation for integration. We should have some basic formula from integration. Integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of some constant dx equals to cx plus c. Sorry, let us write here k. K for some constant x plus c. And then if I differentiate, I mean integrate this one, if it is given ab, so it will be fx and then limit will be ab. Let us substitute fb, upper bound, upper limit, and then lower limit in this instead of x here. Now let us solve this one. This marks is 6. Let's see. First of all, let us use the formula 2 to 4. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I mean 2x plus 1 divided by x square. Then let me simplify, algebraic simplification. 1, I mean x squared by x squared, that is 1 plus 2x by x squared, that is 2 by x, I mean 2x to the power minus 1, 1 by x squared, that is x to the power minus 2 dx. Let us integrate. This is constant, so we can write here x, some constant times x, then 2 times x to the power minus, okay, see, this is the contradictory case. We can apply this formula here. We need to follow different x and minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. C, it is becoming denominator is 0. So we can write here integration of 1 by x dx equals to ln x. Obviously some positive values of x plus c. So we can use this formula instead of this. So this is x plus, it should be 2 ln x. No limit will be there. You must use this limit 2 to 4. Then 2 ln x plus, not plus, there should be minus, because minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, the next word, that is 1 by x. So let me use the values of, first use 4 plus 2 ln 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 plus ln 2 ln 2 minus 1 by 2. Let us simplify this. If we simplify this one, if I use calculator, 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 plus half, it will be 9 by 4. And then, I mean, if I simplify this one, it will be 2 square, that is 2 to the 4 ln 2, then minus 2 ln 2. If we subtract this one, 9 by 4 plus 2 ln 2. So this is the answer for this one. Though it's a bit difficult to know, you should know this formula properly to utilize this one. thank you very much. This is from APGP. We should have some knowledge regarding this. Is GP. For GP, always common ratio is same. AR divided by A, that is R, and n term n equals to A R to the power n minus 1. Sum of n term will be A 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R as infinity A by 1 minus R. So the sum of first 8 terms we are finding out. First of all, the first term is 3, second term is 2.4. So first term is 3, I mean A is 3, second term is 3R equals to 2.4. So R is 0.8. So when we are finding out sum of first 8 terms, we will write here as 8 equals to A means here 3, 1 minus 0.8 to the power 8, 1 minus 0.8. Now let us simplify this one. It is becoming 0.2. I mean 0.2. Then this will be 3 and 1 minus 0.8 to the power 8. Sorry, 0.8 to the power 8. If I use calculator, that is, we are having the answer 12.48 or 12.5. The answer is in 3 SF. Now we need to find out sum to infinity. We have learned this formula as infinity goes to A by 1 minus R. So let us write here as infinity equals to A is here 3, 1 minus 0.8. Now if I simplify this one, 3 0.2, that is 15, and 2 by 10, 1 by 5, reciprocal, 3 5s are 15. Okay, that's nice. Now the least number of terms for which the sum is greater than 95% of the sum to infinity. The least number of terms for which the sum is greater than 95% of the sum to infinity. So least number of terms for which sum is here as n equals to 3, 1 minus 0.8 to the power n divided by 1 minus 0.8, and sum to infinity equals to 15. So the question is given sum is greater than, I mean 3, 1 minus 0.8 to the power n minus 1 minus 0.8 is greater than 95% of sum to infinity, I mean 15. So let us simplify this one. 3 times 1 minus 0.8 to the power n greater than 15% of 95 means 0.95 into 15 and then 0.2. Now let us use calculator to find out these values. Zero 0.95 into 15 into 0.2, then divide it by 3, it will become 5 divided by 3, so it is becoming 19 by 20. So 1 minus 0.8 to the power n minus 19 by 20. Now let us take 1 minus 19 by 20 rather than 0.8 to the power n and subtract. It is becoming 1 by 20, 0.8 n. Then simplify this, n less than 1 by 20, though it is becoming more difficult. Now take log on both sides. 0.8 to the power n log 1 by 20. If 10 goes here, it is becoming 0.8 less than log 20. Now let us check what is the value of log 20. Log 20, sorry, not 20, this is 0.8. 0.8 is becoming negative. So if we divide this one by negative numbers, negative minus 0.09. So since this is negative, so we will divide both sides, then this is will be changed to divide by log 0.8. Now let us use this directly. Log 10 based half, I mean 0.5 divided by log, I mean 10 base, no base, we must consider here 10, 0.8. So it is becoming 3.10. It's absolutely wrong. Okay. This will be 20, this will be 20, this is 0.8. So let us use calculator. Log 0.8, log 10 based 0.8. It is becoming 13.4. So n greater than 13.4. So n equals to 14. So this is the answer for this one. So there's the least number of for that which the sum is greater than 95% of the sum to infinity. So thank you for watching. Okay. So this is question number 8. In the that is top, there is written, do not use calculator in this question. In this question, lengths are in centimeter first of all, and the few values are given. Sin 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, then that is 1 by root 3. Given the area of triangle ABC is 5.5 centimeters square, find the exact length of AC. Write your answer. Okay, let us consider that is AC. This is AC as X or something. You can, it is not mandatory to write. So let me write here area of this area of triangle. I mean area of triangle equals to half AB sin theta. Let me use area of triangle is 5.5. Then right here half A is here 2 root 3 plus 1, B is here AC, and sin theta's value is half. So now let me multiply this. This will be 11, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. So 11 equals to 2 root 3 plus 1 into half. So it is becoming 2 times AC. So AC is becoming now 22 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1. You know, since the denominator is in surd form, so we need to rationalize this one. I mean this fraction. If we rationalize this one, we must multiply both the things by 2 root 3 minus 1, 2 root 3 minus 1, and then it is becoming a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. So that is, let me keep it same as numerator, and then simplify this one. This is 2 to the 4, 4, 3 to the 12, 12 minus 1, that is 11, 22, and 2 root 3 minus 1, 11 to the 22. Now 2 must be multiplied with this, 4 root 3 and 2. This is the answer for this one. Since the question is given right in this form, that means minus 2 plus 4 root 3. So this is the answer, a plus b root 3. This is the final answer. Okay, now let us find out, I mean to show BC square, I mean this side is C plus D whole root 3. Okay, for this reason we can apply cosine rule. I mean BC square equals to root over, sorry, BC square equals to, we can write here 2 root 3 plus 1, and this side is given. So we can write here minus 2 plus 4 root 3 whole square, then minus 2 into 2 into AB, I mean 2 root 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 4 root 3, 4 root 3, I mean it is cos 30 degree. This is the cosine rule, what we have learned from mathematics syllabus D. That is, if it is the triangle, suppose this is B, this is A, this C, theta, so B square equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos theta. This is the cosine rule. So I use that formula here. Now let us go for simplification for this one, that is 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 times 2 root 3 times 1 plus 1 whole square, plus we can write it plus 4 root 3 whole square minus 2 times 4 root 3 into 2 plus 2 whole square. We can easily solve this one. 2 be common, then it is becoming 2 root 3. I mean minus 1, so it is becoming 4. We can write here 2 root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square, then cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let us see that formula here. Cos 30 is root 3 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So now let us simplify this. Sorry, okay, now got it. This is BC square equals to 2 to the 4, 3 4 the 12, plus 4 root 3, plus 1, plus 16, 3 16 the 48, minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, root 3, plus 4, minus, this is 2 to the 4. So let us simplify. 2 to the 4, 3 was a 12, 12, 11, 11 to the 22, 22, root 3, now if we simplify this one, BC square equals to 12 plus 1, 12 plus 1 plus 48 plus 4, it is becoming 65. Then 4 root 3 minus 16 minus 22, it is becoming minus 34 root 3. Oh, nice. This is the final answer. I mean, I have kept the answer in that form. C plus D root 3. C plus D root 3. Here C is 65, D is minus 34. So this is the final answer. So I hope you are enjoying this maths, additional mathematics. Though it's a bit difficult, you need to practice more and you need to